welcome back to the Sony Alpha Classroom. This is Pragati Mishra, and in today's episode, we are going to talk about one of the biggest reasons why people pick up a camera in the first place: travel photography and videography. I love traveling. New people, new experiences, and taking way too many photos and videos along the way. While smartphones make it super easy to quickly snap a shot, let's be honest, sometimes those shots don't do justice to the real moment. True? So today, we're putting Sony ZV-E10 Mark II to the test on a little adventure of our own. Because what better way to talk about travel content than by doing something thrilling? Alright, I did a simple thing. I tried a simple wide-angle photo on my smartphone of this incredible landscape. Let's have a look. Okay, the picture looks decent, but if you see, the details are a bit soft. And if you zoom in, it all becomes too blurry, right? Now I took the same shot with Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. Let's have a look. Instantly, you can capture so much more in the same frame. And look at those details. It all looks so beautiful. And it all looks so crisp and natural. You can see the difference, right? Okay, now let's talk about video. To start with, I did a quick pan with my smartphone. And to be fair, the phone has focus settings too. But when you have a look, you see how the exposure keeps shifting and the highlights are so blown out. It just keeps going up and down, extremely randomly. Then I shot with my camera. And you know what the best part is? It is so easy to shoot vertically with this too. Thanks to its face priority auto exposure, my face stays bright even when the background light changes. It looks lovely. No more disappearing into the shadows. Just pure cinematic settings. I love this one. There's also a little secret. The camera has a soft skin effect with 4 levels to smoothen out any travel fatigue on my face. So even after a long day, I still look fresh. Magic? No, this good tech. Speaking of cinematic, the camera has cinematic lock settings with 5 looks and 4 moves. So if I want my travel videos to have that rich film-like look, I can switch it up with just a tap. And for action movements, there's slow motion, up to 5 times slower. It's perfect for capturing every moment of that mid-air glide. Let's talk about selfies, because what's a trip without a few of those, right? With a smartphone, I have to stretch my arm out and it kind of warps my face. And now with the camera's tiltable screen and touch control, I can frame myself properly and just tap to focus. Okay guys, moment of truth now. I'm going to paraglide and I'm going to switch on the active stabilization mode. to make sure that everything is perfect. Wish me luck. It was amazing. It felt like I was super free. I was flying like a bird. And thanks to this, I could capture everything. So that felt really nice. Okay, so let's talk about sound. There's a lot of strong wind here and a lot of background noise. So I'm gonna use and attach my wind filter and set me up to shoot. So on phone, it will pick up everything, the background noise, winds, but with the ZV E10 Mark II's 3-capsule intelligent mic, my voice always stays clear, even though I'm soaring through mid-air. And finally, when the adventure is done, I don't have to wait till I get home, plug into a laptop, transfer all my files into my phone. I have Sony's Creator Cloud app, which lets me transfer all my data from my camera to my phone in minutes. So I can edit, upload, and flex on social media even before I take off my gear. How cool is that? So, what did we learn today? When it comes to travel photography, a camera like Sony ZV E10 Mark II gives you way more. Cinematic videos, smooth stabilization, slow motion, and pro-level sound. All in a compact body that, yes, still fits in your pocket. Next episode, we are going to capture cute pets and baby portraits. How to capture them when your cute little subjects are running around? We'll figure it out. Until then, keep capturing epic travel shots and share them with us using #LearnWithSony. See you next time.